Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join a lobby in Pokémon Unite. First, from the main menu, select the Unite Match option. Then, choose Custom Match to create your own private lobby. You can invite up to 9 friends to fill both teams for a full 10-player battle. This allows for strategic practice or just fun matches with your chosen teammates. It's a great way to coordinate and play together. To join a friend's game, simply open your in-game friend list. If your friend has created a custom lobby, you will see an option to join their active match directly. Alternatively, they can send you an invitation, which will appear as a notification. Just accept the invite, and you will be automatically placed into their lobby, ready to play. Make sure you are both on the same server for seamless connection. When setting up your custom lobby, you have several options to tailor the experience. You can select different game modes, such as standard 5 versus 5 matches or quick battles on smaller maps. You can also set a password to ensure only specific players can join your private game. This offers excellent control over your match environment, allowing for focused practice or themed events with your chosen group of up to 10 players. For the best lobby experience, always ensure everyone has the latest game update installed. A stable internet connection is crucial to avoid disconnections during matches. If you encounter issues, try restarting your game or checking your network settings. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through in-game chat or an external voice application, can significantly improve your team's coordination and overall enjoyment in every single match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.